And concourse updates, Kama Studios, Sticky the Superstar here. Abusia, Kodron Council when Eddie move be about Bontia, and that be a video say what to the Ibrahim Twala.
Out of 4 million Kodron Council, you can call me Ibrahim Twala, second one or second coming.
What to the Ibrahim Twala and Ibrahim Traore, the last hero of Africa. Abusia. Now, the most exciting thing in this movie is Abusia. This personal bodyguard of Ibrahim Traore, our friend Gaddafi. I couldn't cancel the win. I wish you would more Wakofa Gaddafi Edinaba Eddie became movie.
And it's Yabaka Kofa Gaddafi, Ibrahim Traore, the chance that for Mommy Wumiana. We feel number and any now
you couldn't cancel the video any Gaddafi the videos I'm watch but before then kindly subscribe to our platform on YouTube, follow us on Facebook at Serifabdo, and then TikTok is Kama Studios. Now I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, as you always know, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. Now let me take you through the whole details and the whole information. Couldn't cancel when you know he has been producing movies lately. Since Kumawood went down, he has been producing his own movies, being his own director, being his own manager, and all kind of that. Yes, a lot of movies, not about one thing. I'm not gonna wait to enjoy. We can make mention of a lot of movies and TV series that Kodron Council when Etima producing. Now this one is the latest one in town. What to the Ibrahim Twala. Now the name is Traore.
Ibrahim Twala.
Name Kodron Council when who didn't know. You know most of the people cannot pronounce it because of how it sounds. Ibrahim Traore, and that is how it's supposed to sound in your ears. Now Kodron Council when calls it Ibrahim Twala. And what's it? This movie is coming up and then it's going to be posted on YouTube. It's an international movie, but he decided to post it on YouTube so that Ghana for the and then see the good works of this young man or really the people of Burkina Faso. Now let's watch Kodron Council in the video. 1 minute video I heard about Bontain announcing that he has been he has called Gaddafi, yes, one of personal bodyguard of Ibrahim Traore, to be in the movie to give us stories and all kind of that. Yaba Masakbo Gaddafi on the video. So if you don't know him, you must know him in this video.
Out of 4 million Kodron Council, you can call me Ibrahim Traore, second one or second coming. Out of 4, and then yes, started. Obian family can go Vision Party and go subscribe YouTube no. International, my name a better YouTube and sample a international baby. And it's Yabaka Kofa Gaddafi, Ibrahim Traore. The chance that for Mommy Wumiana, we feel number and any from Burkina Faso to Ghana, and easy scanner no ding. Yes, your German course winted number. Please keep supporting Vision Empire and subscribe Vision Empire TV, YouTube. Get ready. It's #1 and only movie. Everything is on point. Costume no boarding. Obia Pavanya Semputa Bia no boarding. I'm the leader of the Burkina Faso. President Ibrahim Traore. We love you so much. You support.
That was Kodron Council when giving us the announcement saying okay, now he has gone there. Paid Ibrahim Traore his personal bodyguard and then bringing him in Ghana to come and cast the movie and Abuja. That is really exciting news to hear. Now, for those of you who don't know Gaddafi, yes, he has been trending over the weekend. He has been trending for so many years because of how he looks. We can say, video crowd. Say, I don't want to laugh, but you must laugh. And the way he dresses, you see, say kakra wo widienum. Now, this is his video. So when you look at this man, you could feel say no, this man is very powerful. Yes, for those of you who don't understand the Mosi language, yeah, he speaks Mosi. He doesn't speak the French. He only speak the native language. And you have to come and see me in chamber so that I can translate it for you guys. Now this is Gaddafi and Kodjo Kansah being in a movie together, Ibrahim Traore, the last hero of Africa. What are your expectations in this movie? What are you expecting from this movie? Now, this movie is going to be out very soon, and when it's out, we are coming to make a video over here and notify you guys that no, the movie is finally out. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time, why don't you give us a follow? Follow us on Facebook at Salif Abdo. TikTok is Karma Studios, and YouTube to subscribe to our platform. For any news and update, we bring it to you on our platform. I'm finally out.